Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Locksport. Today we are decoding a lock using the Lishi decoder. The 2-in-1 pick. Why is it 2-in-1? Because the first operation is to pick your key pins. The second operation is to decode those key pins to find out how long are they, what size are they. Are they 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And these lines 1 to 6 is the chambers, so that's the key chambers. And 0 to 9 is how long your key pins are. That's all it is. So be aware that when you are decoding, not to have your key pins facing down, because gravity will make the reading off, just they'll be floating a bit and they need to be gravity fed down. I have opened my first lock using my Lishi. It is the carbine half-euro cylinder, which Paul Springer, aka Cranky Lock, generously gave me a couple of these 86 Ti 55 Abus beauties to fit these half-euros into, so that is just awesome. Thank you very much, mate. I've been wanting one of those ever since you showed us they existed. I thought they only existed by Bergwackler, but pretty happy to have them as an Abus. So let's decode this lock. What do you need? Well, you need a little pad to write on. You need pen. That's it. One thing I want to point out first of all that has happened to this Lishi is this. Can you see there and there and there? They're scratch marks. They're just from going like this. So I don't know if you're supposed to pull the Lishi towards you to do it, but I thought it had to be flush up against the thing, but it's causing scratch marks, which was a surprise. But anyway, let's get started on decoding. So we'll go to the first chamber first, and the first chamber is the one closest to the bow of the key, which will be, that's your bow, so it'll be the first chamber. And it's falling down already to a 1, so write 1. Second one is a 5. Third chamber is a 3. Fourth chamber Okay, so if you're not sure, just have a feel, move your pick around. You could be on a really flat pin. I'm going to call that one a 5. And number 5. Try and find the center of the pin. That's a 2. Okay, so what was happening there on pin 4, was it? Was that this was going to the side, slipping off the point, going to the other side. So just trying to find where the point is can help skew up your numbers. So just have a feel for a bit. If you're not sure, write down the number before it. That'll be the shortest cut, so cut your key shorter than longer. That way you can go back and make your adjustments and cut it to the longer pin if needed. Can't put material back on, but you can take it off. So this is the reason why I got the Lishi LW5 to start off with, so I can decode locks, so I can make keys for them. So fairly easy to read, but just remember about that pin placement, placing that pick on that pin properly to give you a more accurate reading. And if not sure, go the one before, because I have had all different readings for the same lock in the 7 times I've done it. So there's all your key pins, 0 to 9, and that'll take you to all your different key lengths, your spacing lengths on the depth of your key, so that you'll eventually look like that when you cut your key. I do my keys by hand, so I'll be filing this one by hand, and I'll give you a look at what it looks like when we're done. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have fun with your Lishis. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.